Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ultimate Reviewer Zone channel. Today we're taking a look at Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax. This product claims to be a game changer for car washing, cleaning, and shining your car in one simple step. Sounds too good to be true. Let's find out. First up, the features. This wash and wax boasts a 2-in-1 formula that combines carnauba wax and synthetic polymers for both cleaning and protection. The carnauba wax is a natural ingredient known for its shine-boosting properties, while synthetic polymers add extra durability. Meguiars also emphasizes that this formula is clear coat safe, so you don't have to worry about damaging your car's paint job. Another key feature is the amazing sudsing action. This helps lift dirt and grime gently from the surface, minimizing the risk of scratches or swirls. Plus, the neutral formula means it won't strip away any existing wax you might have on your car. This makes it a great option for maintaining that showroom shine between regular wax applications. So, how does it actually work? The idea is that you simply add a few capfuls of the Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax to a bucket of water, create a good lather, and then wash your car like you normally would. The product claims to clean the dirt and grime while simultaneously leaving behind a layer of protective wax for that extra shine. Now, let's talk about the potential benefits. First and foremost, this product promises to save you time. By combining washing and waxing into one step, it cuts your wash day routine in half. Additionally, the Clear Coat Safe formula and gentle cleaning action should give you peace of mind knowing your car's paint is protected. The long-lasting shine and easy maintenance are also attractive features. Ideally, with regular washes using this product, your car should maintain a beautiful shine for longer, requiring less frequent waxing. Plus, the neutral formula means it should play nicely with any other Meguiar's products you might already be using. Customer reviews on this product seem to be generally positive. People love the thick suds that clean effectively and the noticeable shine it leaves behind. Some appreciate the value of the results obtained, and others are impressed by how well it repels water spots. However, there are a few mixed reviews regarding the waxing effect itself. Some feel it doesn't quite replace a dedicated wax job, but many agree it provides a noticeable improvement in shine. Overall, Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax seems like a promising option for car owners who want to save time and maintain a good shine on their cars. The 2-in-1 formula, clear coat safe ingredients, and easy-to-use application are all appealing features. While some reviews suggest it might not fully replace the dedicated waxing session, it appears to be a great way to keep your car looking its best between waxes. If you're looking for a convenient way to wash and add a layer of protection to your car, Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax is definitely worth considering. Just keep in mind that for ultimate shine, you might still need to incorporate a dedicated wax application into your car care routine every few washes. Thanks for joining me today. If you've tried Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax, leave a comment below and share your experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips and reviews.